Yeah, maybe I can go inside yet. See people there. Yeah.
Eric Tucker, Mike Tyson, and others having fun with our spectators. Is it Red Jeff Roll or Eric Tucker?
Huh? This my ticket can use tomorrow also, right? Oh yeah. Hey, Jade. Huh? How much?
Thank you, Clay Lacey. Thank you, Ricky Benson. This is America. I'll tell you what, you have a dream. You want America to come. This is what we're here. Education is the key. It's a rant. Okay, Kenny Craig on the PA.
On the runway from the right, Fat Albert will soon be rolling. They'll accelerate to 125 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Petco is now positioning Fat Albert behind the crowd to the left for a parade pass. Fun and airspeeds approaching 3. Commander Jack Guilty! Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Georgetown, Texas, Lieutenant Commander Wes Perkins. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Mounds View, Minnesota, Lieutenant Commander Amanda Lee.
Woohoo! A girl! Amanda Lee!
The lead solo from Madison, Wisconsin, Lieutenant Commander Griffin Stengel. Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Baltimore, Maryland, Commander Thomas Zimmerman. As the crew assist the pilots into their jets, you are witnessing the team found in all Canadian ranks. support crew and our pilots. We invite you to follow the team on social media, including Facebook and Instagram. There you will find exclusive photos and videos, as well as a behind-the-scenes look at our organization and how we operate. To men and women of all ages across America. We were first
Nora
based in
Magalanta,
Jacksonville,
Matalong.
Florida, flying
Shout out.
F-6F Hellcats. We continue flying Grumman Corporation aircraft for 22 years, transitioning in late 1946 to the more powerful and faster F-8F Bearcat. In 1950, we transitioned to jet aircraft with the straight-wing F9F2 Panther, the predecessor of the swept-wing F9F8 Cougar, which we received in 1955. In 1957, the Blue Angels became equipped with high-performance aircraft, with the arrival of the supersonic F-11F Tiger. In 1969, we received the McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom and flew this supersonic jet until 1974, when we transitioned to the A-4 Skyhawk. In 1987, we acquired the F-18 Hornet and demonstrated its reliability over 34 show seasons. We are now in our 4th year of flying the combat-proven Boeing FA-18 Super Hornet.